This is the elevator at Titusville Towne Square in Titusville, Pennsylvania. This is originally a Schindler 300A with MT, but I got an Otis hydroxyl mod, which is a little interesting. There's a Hollis. It's hot in here. 4 is locked, 3 is open. Here we go up. Here are 3. And then 1. Certificate installed in 1999. It's a basic Schindler cab. Or actually, is it totally original Schindler cab? It looks like it, but at the same time it doesn't. It's creaky. It's a little Schindler. This mod doesn't even look too recent. It looks like it's at least 5 years old. Here back at 1. How cool is it? That's gonna be it.